Isa kang entrepreneur, observe, learn, absorb. Umangat ang Pilipinas, dapat una tayong mga entrepreneurs ang lumawak ang pananaw. The world is 10 years ahead and you can be the one who bridges the gap. Then bring it back to the Philippines. Alam mo, isa yan sa mga na-realize ko habang nandito sa Hangzhou, China, visiting companies na sobrang advanced. Na masasabi ko, pwede naman natin itong makuha din, ma-adapt kung sasabay tayo. Paano kung meron ka ng oportunidad na magkaroon ng immersive experience ng pagbabago? Alam mo, sumama ka sa December 13 sa isang event na tinatawag na Grand Exponential You Summit. Immersive experience that could possibly bring instant change in your life. Beginning with your mindset and then to your heart, to your soul, and of course, tamang skills. Ang best part, hindi ito 15,000. Sa halagang 999 only, magkakaroon ka na ng ticket dito. Register today. Not next year, not next month, not next week, not tomorrow. Register today and reserve your slots. This is Coach Migs, your Chief Strategist.